To me, one of the more important questions in that is, I suspect that cyber conflict is the most escalatory kind of conflict we've ever come across. Certainly much more escalatory than the current practitioners at Cyber Command suspect. Now, many of my colleagues would disagree with me, and they would have great reasons for that, but I'm deeply concerned that because it seems like it doesn't have any measurable impact, that you can just kind of use it and not worry about the blowback. And I think we've seen some of that in 2016 with the Russian interference with the US elections. We're pretty sure that Putin thought that he was doing that in response to a leak to the Panama Papers. So you are seeing this tit for tat in ways that might have affected the US presidential election. Very, very, very powerful escalation, I suspect.